Hi everyone, Lawrence here from Recording for Hypnotherapists Workshop. I want to share with you another couple of quick tips that are going to help to make your recording process quicker and easier. Now, one of the things that a few people have been speaking to me about lately are these things called plosives. What's a plosive? Well, do this. Get your hand, put it in front of your mouth, and start to say words beginning with P and T. What do you notice? Probably what you notice more than anything is the expulsion of air as you say those words hitting the palm of your hand. Now imagine what that can do to a microphone if it's perhaps incorrectly placed in front of you or if the recording levels are too loud. As you can see here, it creates these distortions. And if I was to play these back.
And as Peter relaxed, Peter was able to just let go.
Don't know who Peter is, but that's okay. So how do you deal with plosives? Well, there's a few things. Firstly, one, make sure your recording levels are set properly, as I showed in my previous video. You're aiming for between -6 decibels to about 0 decibels there as well. Secondly, place your microphone in the right place. You don't want to be talking directly into the microphone. Ideally, you want to be talking over the microphone. And you could do what I do at the moment, which is to place my microphone slightly to the side of me. So it's not actually in front of me, but slightly to the side. The third thing you could do is to place a pop filter there. And a pop filter is essentially a device that sits between you and the microphone, and it helps to break up that airflow. If you go Googling online, you'll be able to find examples of them. But one last bonus tip that I want to show you is that you can use your audio processor in much the same way you would use a word processor. Let me show you. If I was to mute this channel here and to create a new track, and I can simply record the word that has the issue again. Peter. Now I can see that's a better level recording there. I can now highlight that, go into copy, go to the recording where the plosive is, go over the top of that, paste. I can now get rid of that if I want to, and can find
Peter was able to just let go.
That Peter's finally been able to let go. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Take care.